Chris Mcilwain, founder of Mcilwain Mobility Solutions in Rancho Cordova, California. I'm a mechanical engineer that was doing structural engineering when I started the company. One of my last jobs was selling elevator controllers and motors, and one of my elevator buddies got me to install a stair lift, and the lady, after I installed it, said she hadn't been upstairs in 2 years. And at that point in time, I was hooked. I decided to go into this full time using my engineering skills to provide people solutions for accessibility in their homes, automobiles, boats, RVs, and the great outdoors. One of the products that we use here is Roller Ramp. And the nice thing about Roller Ramp is it's very versatile. You can put mounts in a car to be able to get items in and out of the vehicle with ease. You can use them in boat dock areas. They're very strong, very sturdy, and make people feel comfortable when they're rolling over them because they don't give a lot of movement when it comes to walking on them or riding a mobility device over them. The other thing that's really awesome about them is you can roll them up and store them in a place that's a lot smaller than you would be able to a conventional ramp. You can get them to where they fold up halfway, and then they're easy to extend and retract versus trying to handle a loose ramp that's all over the place. The nice thing about Roller Ramp, it's made in the good old USA. They come out of North Dakota. The ramps can be used anywhere from RVs to boat docks to your home. To make all sorts of different levels nice and accessible, from either somebody that's having trouble walking or someone that is on a mobility device to get from one level to another. So it's pretty much made out of aluminum, which is an all-season material, so it doesn't really matter how hot it gets, how cold it gets, the water won't affect it, it won't rot. Once you have one installed, you will never need to get another ramp because it will last you and your loved ones for as long as you need it. Roller Ramp is a high quality American made product that would work well for anyone in any situation to be able to get from one level to another safely and effectively.
Perfect. If you'd like to see what Roller Ramp can do for you, contact 1-866-883-4722 or send us an email at sales@rollerramp.com.